Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I am completely barefaced because today we are going to do my at-home facial routine. I'm also going to show you how I use my skin scrubber slash, it's called a skin spatula or a face scrubber or a facial scrubber or an ultrasonic ion cleaner. There's so many names for this, but this is what we're going to learn how to use today. So before we start, I feel like I should add some kind of disclaimer. I'm not an official esthetician slash facialist slash dermatologist, all of the jazz. This is just something that I do at home. I learn everything I know online and it works for me, and obviously, you know, read instructions and make your own judgment, but yeah, this is my at-home facial routine. The products I'm going to be using today are a face steamer, an ultrasonic ion cleaner, a collagen face mask of any kind, just choose your favorite, and might use a bit of Bioderma to cleanse, just to clean my skin between stuff. We'll see if this comes up. And I recently received a little sample in my Feel Unique order because I've made so many Feel Unique orders during lockdown, it's not even funny right now, but they sent me this tiny little sample of a nice little oil cocktail and my skin is really enjoying this, so I might pop this on at the end. My face right now is cleansed, it's pretty much ready to go. I literally just hopped out the shower about 20 minutes ago, so I am not going to cleanse to start with. I'm just going to go straight in with a face steam. So this is my steamer. You would have already seen this if you watched my last skincare video. If you did not, I'll add a link in the top corner right now and you can jump on that. But first things first, I'm gonna pop on this beautiful cat headband. It actually came with my face steamer, so technically it's part of the product range today. Oh, she's stunning. Also, before we start, just so you know what I'm achieving or trying to achieve in this facial, basically what we're going to do is we are going to extract all of my blackheads, especially from around my nose, get all the extra oil out, just get that all out of the skin, and then I'm going to fill my skin with this beautiful collagen face mask, get it all plump and glowing, and then I'm going to use the skin spatula to also firm and lift my skin. So it's an extraction, it's a collagen mask, and it's also a mini facelift all in one, and by the end you'll be able to see my skin will be absolutely glowing. It should look firmer and tighter and better, and yeah. Pop the top back on and it will start steaming soon. There we go, you can see it. So it's already steaming. I'm gonna pop it in front of my face and then just sit into it. I need to move you guys a touch back. Sometimes I will pick it up and angle it towards me, but it's really light, so it doesn't matter. And as you can see, I can still talk and stuff. I am gonna do this for 5 to 10 minutes. The reason I do this, because I'm gonna be extracting blackheads, it opens up all the pores and it just gets your skin ready to go. Okay, so I am done. I have steamed my face for 10 minutes and this is when I will move on to using my skin spatula slash face scrubber slash ultrasonic ion cleaner. It has many names, but for the sake of this video, I am just going to call it a skin spatula. This is it. Da, 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 da. They all look kind of different, so many brands do these, but this is the one that I use. I've tried to find the most similar one to this on Amazon and link to that because the official one I got, I don't think they sell it anymore, but they probably do, just under a different name, so that's what I've linked down below. There's 4 options: cleaning, lifting, ion plus, and ion minus. Now the cleaning mode is self-explanatory. It is for cleaning. It's actually the option you use when you're exfoliating too, so yeah, keep that in mind. You can use this on just dry skin, but preferably you want something to lubricate the skin so you can glide it across easier. Now you can use water, it can be that simple, or you can use a cleanser. When using cleaning mode, you want the spatula to be this way. So the end is pointing downwards. You can see it's slightly slanted at the top. You want to point it downwards and use it this way. This will exfoliate the skin and get the cleanser off and clean it more. I'm not going to use this today. I wanted to quickly explain it because I knew there'd be questions, but I've already cleansed my face and did a little exfoliating in the shower this morning, so it's not something that I really need to do. We're going to go straight in with Ion Plus. Now, Ion Plus is the deep extraction mode, and this is what you use when you're trying to get all the excess oils and blackheads out of your skin. So once again, you need something to lubricate the skin. You can use a blackhead extraction product, you can use whatever you like. I will just whack the steamer back on and put some steamed water on my face. So for Ion Plus mode, and actually anything but cleaning mode, you use the spatula this way. So that way against your skin. Cleaning mode, that way. Every other mode, that way. I'm gonna try and zoom in on my nose so you guys can see. Hello, we are delightfully close to my face. I love it. Just steaming up that nose area, getting it ready. So, we want the spatula this way, and we're gonna put it onto Ion Plus mode. This one. And then, we're gonna try and extract all of this, and I'm hoping you can see. This is why you want to have like a little cotton round nearby. You can wipe it off. Yuck. All of that just coming up my nose. It's gross. And you probably thought my nose looked fine before. I know you did, but no, it's full of gunk. So as you've probably seen me doing, I am really aiming for like, my blackheads and my build-up is always my nose and this area. I feel like you can see the open pores around here. I'm gonna go for this area, this area. The rest of my face, maybe I'll run over it quickly, but I don't really need to. So it's mainly just my T-zone. I feel like the video clips are gonna be self-explanatory, but I'll show you a few more because, yeah. One of my favorite things is getting these crevices because they just look so much cleaner. So I'm gonna go over them again. Okay, so I feel like you've kind of got the gist of it zoomed in. We can come back to like actually seeing my face. Extractions are done. I know my skin really well, so I already feel like I can see a difference and I can feel a difference. For me, that's like the most important thing, especially as like an oily person. I can feel the difference. Not gonna do the rest of my face, as I said, because like I'm not gonna force treatments on skin that I don't think needs it. I don't see the point. But here is like all my dirty gunk. All of that came out of my skin. I'm satisfied. It's disgusting, but I'm satisfied. So what I'm gonna do quickly before I apply a face mask is I'm going to just wipe my skin down with some micellar water, Bioderma, obviously. The next step is to apply my sheet mask. So I am just gonna pop this on. I'm going for this one. It's a Collagen Essence Mask Sheet. I don't know the brand. Oh, I do. Folio. I've used this before. I actually really like these ones. Applying a sheet mask is easy. I don't feel like I need to give any kind of tutorial on this. Take it out of the packet, put it on your face. I would just leave this on until it feels like it's starting to dry out. So I look amazing. Oh my god. If there's any excess left in the pack, like squeeze that out, rub it in your hands and put it on your neck. I'll be back to show you the next step. once my sheet mask has fully been absorbed by my freshly extracted, ready to go skin. I don't actually know how long it's been because I've just been like chilling around the house, but the mask is dried out in some places and it's starting to lift, so I'm gonna take that as a sign that it's mostly sunk in. And then this comes off. Boom! I don't look like a crazy person. If there's any moisture left, I'm just gonna go ahead and like rub that onto my face, especially over the areas where it had already dried out. So on my face right now, we've got leftover serum from the collagen mask. I'm going to use the Iron Minus option and I'm going to pump that into my skin. So Iron Minus, this helps products go deeper into your skin. So if you've applied a serum, or in this case a face mask, this is a perfect time to use this product because it would just help it really penetrate into your freshly cleaned, freshly extracted skin. You want to start from the inside of your face and you want to work your way upwards because we want to look young, you know, we want to look lifted, young, fresh, all the goodness. And I'm going to do this until I feel like the rest of the serum has sunk into my face. I feel like it always glows after this. Like, this is so much cleaner as an area, and like it's just filled with that sheet mask, but I want to do lifting. So you could use a lifting lotion or a firming lotion, anti-aging, whatever you like. I am going to use this little sample I keep going on about. So this is by a brand called Lumini Valo. It's a Nordic Sea Arctic Berry Oil Cocktail. You gotta shake it to wake it. There we go. I am gonna apply a pump or two of this to my face. So when you're doing the lifting, it's the same upward sweeping motions as I've been doing all throughout this. The lifting option uses an EMS pulse mode. Oh my god, science, she's professional. Okay, let me try and explain this. So it's electromagnetic stimulation, and this is meant to, I'm not a professional, stimulate the face into firming and lifting. And I feel like there's a lot of products out there that kind of like do the little buzzing on the face, and it's meant to lift it up. I, from experience, know that these products work for me. I actually really like them. So we're gonna switch on to the lifting mode. And it's kind of pulsating, can you hear it? And I am just gonna give myself a little face massage. We are gonna start from the bottom, working our way up. It's gliding across my face because I've applied that nice skin oil, which you can probably see on camera. It's just making me glow. I like to really make sure I'm using this EMS pulse lifting mode around my eyebrow because honestly, I would prefer my brow just be a little bit higher and arched, like ooh, just a little bit. Love it. So I try and make that happen. I'm gonna do half my face and then just show you, and then hopefully you can see the difference. Personally, I feel like I can see a difference after I've done this facial, especially when I've done the lifting. But I feel like your face is just, I will see all the small differences in my own face because I look at it all the time. It's the face I see, whereas sometimes other people can't see the differences because they're so small. It's like when you have a spot and you think everyone can see it and actually no one notices it until you point it out. But I definitely feel like I see a difference after I've done this. Oh, accidentally pressed it. And I love that, you know, I've just spent time doing a facial. I want to see a difference. I want to look fresh, young and glowy. Okay, I'm gonna push this eyebrow up, so you can't just be like, oh, it's because your eyebrows are pushed. But I genuinely think this side of my face now looks more lifted than this side. Like, you tell me, you're probably gonna be like, there's no difference, JD, but I, looking in the mirror right now, feel like it's just a bit more, something has happened, something good has happened. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift the other side of my face, and then my facial is pretty much done. Okay, I think we're pretty good. So that is my completed at-home facial routine. I hope you guys liked this video and you found something in it helpful. If you have any questions, as always, you can comment down below. I'm pretty available these days, you know, all trapped in isolation, so I'll definitely get back to you shortly. And my Instagram, you can always pop in there and you can always slide in my DMs, that's fine. Just give you guys a little look at my face. She's glowing. Oh, I love it. And I always find with this facial, it's not just, you know, when you've done a mask and you glow for a bit and it stops. Like, I'm gonna glow for the rest of the damn day. My skin is just full of goodness. My nose area, I'm looking in a mirror now and it just looks so much cleaner. I'm happy. I'm happy. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. I don't know what my next video is going to be yet, so drop your suggestions definitely, and other than that, yeah, I'm gonna be surprised too.